I want to see you succeed. Bill's like, you suck, you suck, you suck. Where's her collar at? Where did she get lost? Are you nervous? You look nervous. That's why you're not doing it? Are you nervous?
Every time I feel that, I go,
Don't pop it, dude.
I know.
That's why I think you're nervous. That's why you keep popping it. You just fucking are like, I want you to do it. Shit. This is like, now it's just like, come on, man. You got this. 8-year-olds do this shit. You're doing it too slow, dude. Pop it and fucking do it already. Damn.
Don't tell Matt.
I'm not, I mean, like, he's